guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda Renee, and in this video I will be reviewing the moisturizing shampoo from Design Essentials. So if you're interested in seeing that video, keep on watching. Now I know I look crazy, but I intentionally left my hair like this just so that you can see what I'm working with before I wash my hair. So this is the shampoo that I will be reviewing. Also giving my first impressions because this is actually the first time I'm using this. I thought there was sealant on it, but that is what it's looking like. It hasn't been touched at all. I was waiting until the right moment to do my first impressions and my review on this shampoo. As I said, left my hair in this state because this claims to be a moisturizing and detangling shampoo, and it also says to apply shampoo onto the palm of your hand and emulsify. So basically rub your hands together until you have a creamy consistency on your hand, but I will show you while I am shampooing my hair. It also says to massage onto hair and scalp and lather. Rinse thoroughly and repeat as necessary, and follow up with the conditioner from this line. But since I don't have this conditioner, I will just go ahead with another deep conditioner from another line, but that's not the purpose of this video. It's to give my first impressions and my review on this. So I'm just going to take out these cornrows, these old, musty, crusty, and dusty cornrows, and I will be back when it's time to wash my hair. Alrighty, so as you're seeing, my hair is wet. Still has a little product in it, but I just wanted to get it wet. I find myself washing my hair in two parts whenever I have to do these types of videos to save time, because ain't nobody wasting time in this day and age. No ma'am, no sir. So this is the shampoo, and first impressions, it smells sweet. It actually smells sweet. Doesn't have any distinct avocado smell to it, but I will show you the consistency. That is what it's looking like. So as you're seeing, it's kind of translucent. It has a translucent look to it, as you could have told from the bottle. And just going to emulsify. Very emulsified, and there we go. Oh, the lather. Oh, the lather. The lather. Oh, this feels so softening. Whoa. Oh wow. Oh wow. I'm thinking I should add a little bit more, just so that if what I put on doesn't clean my hair, the excess would. Just a little bit. Emulsifying again. The lather. Wow. So I can only imagine the lather in the second wash. because this is great. There isn't too much lather though, just enough, which I am happy for. And hopefully I'm able to detangle, well, at least I'm gonna detangle my hair. Well, I'm able to rake my hands through my hair a little bit, so that's a good thing. My hair does need a trim though, so it may prevent the shampoo from working at its best just because my hair needs a trim, but so far, all right, so this is what my hair is looking like. Going to rinse this out, come back with the second wash, and I will give my thoughts afterwards. I think I will come back to show you how my hair lathered the second time around, since there was a bit of oil from the product that I used still in my hair. So I will see how my hair responds to the second shampoo. So I'll be back. Alrighty, so I must say that the shampoo took off the product that was on my hair, but it, my eye, oh wow. But it hasn't stripped it, which I am really thankful for, because I know some hydrating shampoos claim that they are hydrating and do the complete opposite. But I am happy that my hair does feel soft so far, and it looks pretty hydrated, minus the ends, but we'll tackle that in another video. Yes, we will. So as I said, oh my eye again, wow, the water in my face. As I said, I'm going to go in with another wash, and y'all, I love how much my hair has grown since cutting it last November. I am glad that my hair has grown so much. I may give a year update post chop, although I didn't share a video with me cutting my hair. I may do that video, so if you are interested in seeing that video, drop 2 purple hearts in the comment section down below so that I know whether to do it or not. So this is again the shampoo, translucent consistency again, emulsifying it again, trying to follow instructions as much as possible, yes. So emulsifying and just spreading over the hair. The second time around, there is a lot more sun. There's definitely a lot more sun, and it feels richer this time around. Yes, it does. See, look, in comparison to this time versus the first, yo, my hair has a lot more lather. I am enjoying the shampoo so far. Not to get my scalp, because my scalp was starting to itch before I took out the cornrows. So I'm just trying to get my scalp, and seeing that I have nails, I don't scrub my hair with my nails because you're going to cut your scalp. So I use the tip of my finger and I just go in like that, and it does a pretty good job. The lather, definitely there for sure. All of this on my hands. The product that I used before definitely prevented the shampoo from working at its best, but that's to be expected when you use products with oils in them. I try to stay away from putting oils directly on my scalp. So if I'm using a styling cream or just a leave-in conditioner, I will obviously look for water as its first ingredient because my hair needs moisture. And then if there are any oils in the formulas, that's definitely a plus. Can't forget my edges in the front. And my widow's peak. Alrighty, so I'm going to rinse this out, do the other section of camera, and then I'll be back to share my thoughts. Alrighty, so I am back. My scalp feels so much better than how it did when I just started. And as I said, I'm amazed at how much my hair has grown. So if you are interested in finding out what I have been doing, it's a very simple routine. But if you want to find out what I have been doing, definitely, as I said, leave 2 purple hearts in the comment section down below so that I know whether to film this video or not. So, the review. First of all, this shampoo definitely is in my top favorites for now when it comes to moisturizing shampoos. I have up there as well the Italia Wajid shampoo. I did review it in the Battle of Shampoos, so definitely check out that video that I will put the thumbnail on the screen for, and it will also be in the description box. But right back to this first impressions and review. First impressions, I appreciate the color. It isn't too pigmented, so I can definitely appreciate that. I also appreciate the consistency. It feels like the African Pride Moisture Miracle shampoo, which was a favorite of mine until it just no longer worked for my hair. And yes, that happens. There's nothing wrong with your hair. If it does, your hair just gets used to it and it just gets tired. But it definitely reminded me of the African Pride consistency, which I really loved. And the lather, the second time around, the first time around was understandable because I had products with oil on my hair. I had a styling cream on my hair. But the second time around with the lather that I got, I thoroughly enjoyed the lather. And I really enjoyed the fact that it cleaned my hair without my hair feeling stripped. My hair does not feel stripped at all, so it definitely lived up to its name when it comes to moisturizing the hair and softening the hair. Detangling, I tried finger detangling off camera and it was indeed successful. I don't know how it will act with detangling tools, but for finger detangling, you can do a light finger detangle and you'll be just fine with the results when using this shampoo. So afterwards, my hair, as I said before I went into the review, my hair and my scalp feels so much better than how they did when I started this video. So with that being said, I will give the shampoo so far an 8 out of 10. It is a good shampoo and it is indeed budget friendly. Well, at least the price that I paid for it was budget friendly. And yes, I really do recommend the shampoo to anyone who wants to try something from Design Essentials and who also wants moisture when washing their hair. Definitely try out this Almond and Avocado moisturizing and detangling shampoo. This may not work for everybody. I'm just giving my review. I'm just giving my thoughts. Everyone's hair is different, so just keep that in mind. But I really do enjoy this for my type 4 natural hair. There are 2 more things that I will mention about this shampoo before closing out. I barely used it. It was up here and now it is here. So a little does go a long way, although it may have seemed like I used a lot. As you can tell by the bottle, a little goes a long way. So that is definitely a plus for me. And regarding the smell, as I was lathering the shampoo and as I was washing my scalp, I did smell hints of almonds. So that is okay as well, because it is indeed an almond and avocado shampoo. Not sure if I smelled the avocado, but if you have tried this shampoo, definitely let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you definitely liked this first impressions and review video, leave a like. And if you want to see more content from me, subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me. And share this video with someone who's interested in trying a shampoo from Design Essentials but has no idea how it will work on their type 4 natural hair. Or if someone is interested in natural hair content, definitely send this video to them. And while you're at it, check out videos that will pop up on your screen if you're interested in seeing more content from me. And look out for my next video, which will be a wash and go, another attempt with the Camille Rose curl maker. I will be pairing that with the leave-in, but that is all I will say for this video. If you're interested in seeing that video, stay tuned. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.